No. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm out here. Me and my buddy Danny got off work and he couldn't start his car this morning. So I'm out here to show you guys a basic test on how to check to make sure it's not your alternator and to make sure that it is your battery. Now, the battery's a few years old, so more than likely that's what it is. But I brought my big battery here. Everybody's got to have a big battery, and I got a big one. And there it is. So let's see what's going on here. Hey, Danny, crank it up. Okay. All right. Check it out. See. So just hook it up, or if you don't have a big battery like I do, you can jump it off your car or something. But make sure the positive is on the positive and the negative is on the negative, because it will go bad. Go for it, Danny. Keep cranking it and okay, cool. Okay, we started obviously with a jump, but we're going to find out here if it's the battery and not the alternator. Now, if you guys don't know exactly how an alternator and a battery works, the battery's function is only to start the vehicle. That's it. The reason you have an alternator is when this battery starts the car, then the alternator takes over and starts sending the right amps to everything in the vehicle and keeps the battery charged. If an engine did not have an alternator, you could only drive maybe 40 miles with the battery power and it'd go dead every single time. So the purpose of the alternator is to keep the electrical current flowing and keeping everything charged. Now, we're going to disconnect these. So right there it's telling me it's probably the battery that's bad. Because if it's the alternator, it would have died already. But here's a simple test that you guys can do to make sure to know. It's a pretty basic to see if it's the alternator. Now, if it's the alternator, when I remove the positive cable from the battery, the car should stay running without the battery connected to it, because the alternator is what's producing all the electricity right now. Don't be afraid to do this. The worst thing that could happen is your hand will blow off. So, no, not really. That won't happen. Absolutely nothing will happen if you do this. But just grab the positive cable while it's running. Just see, the vehicle is running without the positive cable connected to that. So, more than likely, 100% probably the battery. Had the car just died, then the reason the battery is dead is because your alternator is dead. But it looks like it's just the battery. But I just wanted to show you guys what a basic test to see if it's not your battery or your alternator. A short would also cause it to die even if the battery is good, but the odds of a short now doesn't happen in new cars. And usually if it does, it's a lemon. But, so, looks like Danny's going to be alright. We're just going to, now that it's running, you see how the engine will speed up? Because now the electricity is flowing everywhere and goes through here, keeps the battery charged while you're driving it. Like I said, so if an engine didn't have an alternator, the alternator was bad, it doesn't matter if the battery's brand new. You're only going to drive like maybe 40, 50 miles and it's going to die on you. But that's it. I just thought I would show you guys what a basic way to test your alternator to make sure it's the battery. And like I said, don't be scared to detach this. Nothing will happen. But just thought I would share that with you guys. Alright, thank you guys. And thanks for watching. And please remember, hit your subscribe button.